Over the years, we've received many roofing related questions, and today I'm going to try to answer some of the most common ones. A lot of people ask, what are the different parts of a roof called? Your roof is like a well-built team, with each part playing a crucial role. Let's start with decking. This is your roof's backbone, holding everything up like the frame of a house. Then comes underlayment. Think of this as your roof's secret defense system, keeping moisture from sneaking in where it doesn't belong. Then you have eaves, the overhanging edges of your roof. They act like a visor, shielding your home from the rain and directing water away from your house. Last but not least, vents. Just like you need fresh air, so does your roof. Vents help keep it cool and dry, preventing long-term damage. Some people have also asked, what is the rise, slope, and the pitch of the roof? Imagine your roof is a mountain. The rise is the peak of the mountain, and the width is the mountain. A 4/12 pitch means that for every 12 inches of horizontal run, your roof will rise 4 inches, which is also referred to as slope, just like a gentle hiking trail versus a steep incline. Next question is, what are the different types of roof coverings? This is important because your roof coverings need to fit your house style, just like your clothes need to fit your lifestyle. Asphalt shingles, the everyday reliable raincoat, affordable and effective. Concrete tile, it's a man-made product that's durable, like a medieval stone wall. Clay tile is a natural product that is made to withstand the elements and endure the test of time. Metal roofing, this is a suit of armor for your home. Tough, durable, and ready for the battle against the elements. And lastly, you need to consider the color. Cool roofs, like a white t-shirt on a hot day. These roofs reflect the sun and keep your home cooler. Now we come to why is roof underlayment important, which I consider to be the most important question that I get asked. Picture your roof as a mighty fortress. The tiles or the shingles are the walls standing strong against the elements. But what happens when your outer defenses get breached? That's where underlayment comes in. Your hidden army battling moisture, leaks, and rot before they can cause any real damage. Whether it's felt, synthetic, or reinforced, the underlayment is your roof's unsung hero, working behind the scenes to keep your home protected. It's also your last line of defense. Alright, I hope this helps you out. At All Points Tile Slate, we're committed to helping you find the perfect match for your roof. Whether it's a single piece of tile for a replacement or a full roof solution, we've got you covered. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can visit us on our website at allpointstile.com, or you can email us at ops@allpointstile.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with your roofing needs.